I've decided to use my little panda character to join in this Pirates Adventure Fun. Yeah, so as always, when I start my collage, I will start with the main character, because the main character will actually determine the size for all the other elements within the collage. So I start with the head, and then the limbs, and then the ears. And this time I did the eyes later, towards the end of the process. The next element that I started to collage is the sword. My little panda, she's holding a wooden sword. In my digital version, she has her own pirate's ship, but in this collage version, she's just sailing in a wooden bucket. Moving on, here I collage the pirate's hat. And with the pirate's hat as a basis, then I can now move on to draw or sketch out the parrot, which is the sidekick. In the digital illustration, Beaky has a light red eye band across her eye. I tried to collage it, but it didn't turn out well, so I removed it in the end. If you're interested to know what I mean, you may either head on to my Instagram account, or I actually also inserted the digital image in towards the end of the video. Moving on to the next collage element here is the pirate's flag. So I'm drawing the skull, and then later on I also sketch out the bones and cut them out. I use the tweezers here to try and align the eye to make sure that it's looking at the same direction. With most of the elements now assembled, I start to paste them or position them onto the substrate finally. So the last thing that I collage in is the sun. Initially, I thought I would just do the panda sailing and I would skip the sun. But it's just so much more interesting that, she's looking at the sun and the sun is looking at her. Finally, I'm tidying up the edges here and adding some rosy cheeks to the main characters with a fluorescent pencil. This is the final collage piece. I did some finishing touches off camera, especially to the water, and I also outlined the pirate's head with the yellow acrylic marker. Spinning right in, this is my digital version. As you can see, there's some text on the bottom. So this art challenge, there are 5 prompts, and I have weaved it into a little story. So if you're interested to know the story, please head on to my Instagram account at Little Art Adventures. Also check out the entries of the host of this challenge as well as the other participants by going by searching hashtag uh, Golden Pirates Adventures 26. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.